Brady!
Why?
Come here.
Why?
Come here.
Why?
Look at it. Look out.
Wait.
Brady, come out. It's your birthday. Brady, open up.
No.
Joe, stick your head out the top. Look out the top.
Ah!
Look out the top.
Sorry.
Brady, look out the top again.
No.
Just once.
No.
Yeah, but we haven't colored our Easter egg.
Dang, this chair is
And
small.
I thought it might be fun for Matthew to do with
Oh,
us.
that's it. Sit in the chair.
Hey, buddy.
Hey,
Look up the top.
Hold on, wait.
Hey, buddy.
Earthquake! Ah!
Don't hide, you
My
little...
bed!
Is this your new tank? Who'd you get it from?
I don't know.
Antonia.
Oh.
Thank her.
Thank you, Auntie Tonya. For my tag.
Look at him, all snazzed up in his new...
We'll snuggle. Come here, Mama.
No.
Dana. Hi. There's the boy. Brady, give us a smile. Yeah.
Hi. Brady, what's tonight?
My birthday.
Your birthday party, huh? And that's from Auntie Tonya.
Uh-huh.
And Paige wanted to sleep by you.
Uh-huh. 'Cause she loves me.
Yeah? Is that right, Paige?
What?
No, not yet.
Okay, good night.
Hi.
And Chase is already asleep from an overnighter last night, and she has soccer in the morning.